Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up your terms and conditions page in GoHighLevel to help protect your business and clearly outline your policies. This is an important step for building trust and staying compliant. On your GoHighLevel dashboard, go to Sites, and once you're there, click on your site. Click the three dots and select Edit. Once we are redirected to the site page, click Add New Step and name this page Terms and Agreement, then set your path. We just need to connect this to your footer. From here, we simply create the final step. Once we are here, we create a new blank page. Now we need to add some elements. We can add a text element so we can write out our terms. Add text by dragging it onto the page, then copy or write your terms and agreement directly on the page. We can customize the text and add icons if needed. Once we are done, just click Save, and that is how we create a terms and conditions page in GoHighLevel in just a few simple steps. With this page in place, our website will look more professional and legally prepared.